Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. This is about 3 washes after I got the hair Botox done. My hair is silky soft and smooth. This video however is about the Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation from Maybelline. It's been on the market for quite some time and I saw very good reviews of this product on YouTube, so I decided to give it a try myself. I'm using the shade 124 Soft Sand. Before shooting this video, I shaved my face, and because of all the redness, I used this Dr. Hushka's mask. It's a soothing mask just to reduce the redness. I wiped off the excess after about 30 minutes, so I did not use any other moisturizer. This is still moisturizing enough for my skin. Going in with a makeup sponge, I'm just adding a little bit of this product after shaking. I normally would go in with just the product on my finger and just distributing it all over, dotting it on my face and then using the sponge to blend. So yeah, I did it a bit backwards this time, but it's always nice trying out different ways of doing things. I also did not use a primer. I would normally go in with a skin primer, preferably the baby skin from Maybelline as well. But just to try out this product and see how it works, I decided to do it without. I also want to apologize for the lighting. I'm using a new ring light and I'm trying out different angles in this room to see what looks best and looks good. To come back to my technique, I'm using a wet beauty blender, and it's really so important to use a wet sponge. And I'm trying not to, but I do spread it out here over my brows just to get the product into proper areas and distribute it better. But I try to pat most of the product into the skin instead of rubbing it left and right. Make sure you take your time with blending. It's very important to make sure that there's no patches. Making use of a wet sponge or beauty blender, whatever you want to use, really makes a big difference. First of all, it doesn't absorb too much of your product, and second of all, it really helps everything blend out more evenly. When done, I'm using whatever's left on the sponge, whatever product's left, and just patting it on top of my eyelids to just cover slightly and to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. I did decide to go in with a little bit more product and just build layers on for more coverage. I do have very oily skin, especially in the T-zone, and I have quite a lot of enlarged pores. So I'm quite excited to see the end result. Very important, remember the area around the nose to make sure that you don't end up like Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. I really took my time blending out this product and making sure that everything is looking flawless. I also didn't use a lot of product every time, just adding a few drops and spreading it all over my face. Whatever product was left on the sponge, I used it on the ears, although today I left my hair loose, but still I just like to make sure that the ears aren't that red, and you know, you end up looking very funny with red ears and a nice white face. I did try to do a close-up to show you the area where my fine lines and wrinkles are, and the product didn't really, I don't know, blend nicely in those areas. But overall, I think I'm quite satisfied with this product. It really gave me a good base for the rest of my makeup. I finished doing my makeup at about 2 in the afternoon, and I took this photo, tried to have a nice close-up. And about 4 hours later, 6 p.m, I took this photo. I am a little bit oily and shiny, but overall, very satisfied with the result. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this.